Happy Friday, everybody. This is Rob. We are on to trade number 44. Now, we've had a big rally this week, and our portfolio is doing quite well now because we ended up getting some of those 2x and 4x winners that I knew we were going to get. So what are we doing here? We are making random trades with random methods, and we're saying that the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is that everyone puts all the emphasis on the entry, and we're putting it all on the exit. So let's talk about trade number 44. It is Friday, and you know what? Friday we always do a little bit of news, a little bit of current events. And since it's Friday, I say it's time to go to the movies. So we're gonna go out and see what the #1 movie is in America, and we're gonna take some combination of the title. So if it's something like, you know, like Avengers, maybe we do AV or we do A, we'll figure it out. I haven't looked at what is the top movie. I know that I personally am excited to go see the new Godzilla movie. I'm not a Godzilla fan, but I've heard the movie is absolutely fantastic. So let's go and see what the best movie is in America. Top movie in America this week. All right, so we'll go to IMDb, and it is The Boy and the Heron. Okay, so we're going to try some combination here. Some combinations of boy. I mean, we could just try boy. We could try The Boy and the Heron, like a B and an H. Look, we're going to be able to get some symbols, but those symbols aren't going to have what we need. Remember, we need 1 million average daily volume, and we need them to be above $10. So let's go in and play around with some of the combinations. I'm going to first start off with BOY, and then I'm going to start off with TBH, the boy heron. And let's just see what we get. Let's see what we can find here. Let's start off with, do we get anything with BOY? Again, I want stocks. I want stocks in the US. And the answer is no. We don't get anything with BOY. Let's try TBH. There is nothing with TBH. Let's start with HER for Heron. And you can see there is nothing there. So let's just go BH, boy heron. Okay, we've got BH, Big Larry Holdings. I've never even heard of this stock. I imagine this is going to be not one that we can use. And sure enough, whopping volume of 2,600 shares yesterday. Ooh, very exciting. Again, it will not work for us. All right, The Boy and the Heron. So let's do Boy and Heron, BAH. Booz Allen. Right, I do know about this stock, and I do think this stock is going to work. You can see that this stock is a $124 stock, and it does about 1 million, 2 million shares on a good day, and about 600,000 shares on a normal day. All right, we're going to do this one here, and the question is our EMA going up or down? And you can see that this has been exactly what we don't want in a flat earth here. Because look, we're doing a trend trade, and you can see that this is EMA goes up and then down, up, down, up. Look, every single trade, long or short, that anyone made in here would be stopped out with the trailing stop for a loss. There's no question about it. So this is not an ideal trade. But remember, we don't get to decide the entries. We have to take what it says, and right here, right now, if you get out the magnifying glass, it is pointing down. Now look, I don't want to take this trade. I would never take this trade, but we don't get the choice here. So this is going to be a short on BAH, Booz Allen. The current price is $124.86. So $124.86. And the current ATR is 249. Let's go ahead and build the trade. It is December 15th, 2023. The ticker symbol is BAH, Booz Allen Hamilton. I'm now curious to what this company actually does. Sorry, I've got to look it up here. Booz Allen Hamilton is a consulting firm. Okay, so we were in a consulting firm short. Short at 124.86. Again, that's just the price it was on the chart. We'll see what we get for the fill. ATR was $2.49. So 2x ATR is pretty easy for the math. It was 250 B5, so it's 498. So if we go short at 124.86 and put in a trailing stop at 498, that puts our original stop loss at 129.84. Let's go do position sizing, make the trade, and wrap this up. We've had a lot of activity in our account. We still have 3 trades left, all doing well, all profitable. Let's go to our account balance. Our account balance is $105,099, so $105.99. As you can see, we've had a nice run in the account. We're up 5% from the start, but look, this is trade 44. We're going to keep going to 100, and that's really going to determine the success or failure of this little experiment here. So let's go to a position sizing calculator and we will make the trade. Account value was $105,099. We are risking 1%. The entry price is 124.86. Let me get my numbers right. 124.86. And the initial stop was 129.84. We will hit compute. 211 shares. That is what we're going to do. 211 shares. Let's go do it. Putting in the ticker symbol BAH. We are going to be short. So we're going to sell it first. 211 shares is what our position sizing calculator said to do. I'm going to go limit price. I'm going to go a little bit below the bid. That's just so I have a little bit of time to put in my trailing stop. We attach it right to the order, so the trailing stop is $4.98. Make sure everything is good till canceled. Let's go ahead and hit submit. And that trade is in. The actual fill price was 124.925, so we round up 124.93. Trade 44 is BAH short 211 shares. Entry price was 124.93. And look, we all know the drill, unless this is your first time here. If it is, go back to trade number 1 and the rules that we set up. 2x target, we're going to tighten up our trailing stop a little bit. 4x profit, we're going to tighten it up even more. And that's it. We don't do anything else. This is all automated, taken care of. We just simply need to take action if we get a certain amount of profit, and then we just tighten that trailing stop up. And we don't do anything else. This is trading. I know we like to sit there, we like to agonize over every little candle. You can do that. I've done that so many times. But look, it never did me any good. It never did me any good. The best thing to do is follow your system. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great weekend.